In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow to n8n. Welcome, everyone. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and make your automation tasks a breeze, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as I guide you through each step with clarity and precision to ensure that you make this connection smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you have n8n open and ready to go. n8n is an incredibly powerful workflow automation tool that allows you to link various services and streamline your tasks seamlessly. That said, our goal today is to connect it with Webflow, a popular web design platform. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the credentials section within n8n. This area is essentially the nerve center for all the connections you'll be creating, and it's where you'll securely store and manage your API credentials. Look for the Credentials tab and access it. Once you're in the Credentials section, it's time to create a new credential specifically for the Webflow API. Creating a new credential sets up a link or key that allows n8n to communicate effectively with your Webflow account. This is an essential step for enabling secure access and maintaining the integrity of your data. Next, you'll want to select the Webflow API option from the menu. You might notice some other API options here, but it's crucial to pick the one specific to Webflow to maintain a flawless integration. This selection will populate a new set of fields designed to work with Webflow's API requirements. Now here's where the integration really begins to take shape. If you haven't done so already, ensure that you have your Site API token ready, as it acts as your gateway between n8n and Webflow. This token is a unique identifier that gives n8n permission to access your Webflow site data. So, paste your Site API token into the designated field. Be careful to enter it accurately to prevent any connectivity issues. Once you have your token entered, it's time to save your settings and test the connection to ensure everything is working as it should. Saving and testing is a straightforward process in n8n. After pasting your token, there should be a simple button or toggle to save the credential. Clicking this will lock in your token and apply the configuration. After saving, look for an option to test the connection. This step is crucial because it verifies that your API token was entered correctly and that your Webflow site can successfully communicate with n8n. If the connection is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that everything was done correctly, and you're all set to utilize the powerful integration between Webflow and n8n. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Webflow to n8n, opening up a whole new world of automation possibilities. Enjoy taking your workflows to the next level, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.